Mrs. Titina should be said actually because she is the one who connected us along with the Qatari. You see Ethiopia as a tourist destination. So as it is already been said, I will be starting with a very brief video of 10 minutes that will give you the highlights, and then following with
human origin. In addition to that, the connectivity, which is very, very important. Ethiopian Airlines now flies to aggressively on these visa issues. By the way, we have direct flight of Ethiopian Airlines 3 times a week. We have direct flight of Qataris. Ethiopian Airlines is working on it, so there should be visa only. So we want modern conference tourism with modern conference facilities, hotels. There was a shepherd boy. His name is Kaldi, yeah, and he was looking after goats. So when he goes out to the forest, these goats, they go into the forest, they eat the coffee bean.
Most of the 60th
century sometimes, yeah. Yeah, people cannot spend the night there. They die. It's very difficult. Yeah. And we have the Afar, in the Afar area, what we call this, the volcano. It's active volcano. Still you see the lava coming out. Traditionally, men go out for farming, women stay at home. So in the morning, once they send out their husbands for farming, the women who are staying at home before starting their household, they call each other, the neighborhood. So
main 3 languages spoken in Ethiopia is Amharic, Oromo, and Tigrinya.
The airline reaches to almost all of the destinations in one way or another. The airports are close enough so that the access.
We are 105 million population. This makes us the second largest population populated country in Africa, next to Nigeria.
And Ethiopia in particular. So with Ethiopian Airlines, we will be having group fares and also special discounts for passengers who have used Ethiopian Airlines.
Also one of the ethnic group in Ethiopia, those who preserve their culture, the procedures, the ceremonial issues, and its history is already. And a regional office for the number of international organizations, including UNDP, UNESCO, and the European Economic Commission. Due to this conference tourism is these are the very few hotels in Addis Ababa, and there are almost similar standards as in universities. Addis Ababa is, in the last 50 years, the city has gained international significance as the headquarters of the African Union.
Different safety regulations like vaccinations and all that required traveling.
Yeah, but when we were there, it's different, totally different. It's very safe.
how many tour operators went for?
We are totally 9.
9.
Usually
Okay. Individual families or?
depends on the group, on the corporate, is leisure or business.
Okay.
Most of the time. So when we promote a destination, we do have, for example, an example of a ready package. But when somebody comes to us, it's mostly
There are some ceremonies. And in the northern Ethiopia, we have, Epiphany is coming now. Ethiopian Epiphany is very colorful. projects also that
Yes, maybe we can have a better also. Thank you very much.